these Minimalist barefoot shoes just came in just right now. I just got them out of the box. So I'm going to try them on. And I've had a lot of these types of shoes. And so I already know how thick they are compared to the other ones. The ones I'm wearing right now, these are on the thicker side. These are on the thinner side. So I got a little bit smaller than what I usually get. I wear a size 12 in most every shoe. These these are 11 and a half. Whatever the women is, it's like I think 13 women. Whatever 11 and a half men is, and I wear a 12. So I got a little bit smaller just to see. And if they're tight, I like them like that too. So yeah, I could get my foot into them. My toe goes to the end, but the type of shoe that they are, I'm fine with them being tight, but these are tighter. And as you can see, they're smaller. So I have wiggle room in these, and I don't have any wiggle room in these, but these are going to be really, really tight, and they feel good. They're on the thinner side when it comes to these shoes. So if you're looking for something really, really super thin, these are about as thin as they get. Like on the heel with like these right here, these have a little more cushion on the heel, and also the soles come out. These don't come out. It's just in there, part of the shoe. So the tread is it's all rough, all in here. And it's got some little, these are rough though too, but whatever that design is. But it's rough. Like these are kind of smooth, but they're not slippery. They just have a smooth texture to them. These are rough the whole way. So these are going to be extra, they're going to give like more grip even. Because I've had pairs like this, and like I said, these aren't slippery, and these are even less slippery. So they feel good. Let me put the other one on. I'll wear these for several months and do a follow-up like I like to do. But I mean, I've never got them this tight before. Like I've gotten smaller sizes before, and then they end up coming about kind of like the size that I wear. So like these are like tighter, like the size is it's pretty true. So if I were to get a 12, they'd be pretty close to what these are. They feel good. Yeah, these shoes are awesome. I wear these kind of shoes just as my shoes. These are like my everyday shoes, other than being barefoot. I try to be barefoot as much as possible. So if I'm not barefoot and when I leave the house, I like to wear these as much as possible. So there you go. Right out of the bag. And the heels, there's support on the heel, but these are just on the thin side. They're made that way. That's how they are. There's thicker ones and there's thinner ones. These are a little bit thicker, and these have less cushion. I like them all. So there you go. Enjoy these shoes. If you've never worn these before, you may never want to go back to real shoes. You'll be like me, someone who wants to be barefoot all the time. So anyways, have a great day and take care.